Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Yeah, that I mean. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2022 Mini Cooper Passport, if that works. But this applies for any 2022 Mini Cooper. All right. You see the vibes. You see what's going on. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life real quick, all right? Like a pro. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to do it right. Yeah, I mean, before I jump into the action, I gotta say, I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel, which leads me to shout outs to my subscribers. Know what I'm saying? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Yeah, me. Support the channel by clicking on the bell button, so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know what I'm saying. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think, what you have in mind, whatever you have in your mind, put it in the comment box for me. All right. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. You watching this for free, right? So watch the whole ad. It's like regular TV. You gotta come with commercials. Know what I'm saying? Watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. Keep watching this. That's how we do. All right. So we're gonna shut it down. Know what I'm saying? Now it's shut down. All right. Everything is closed. The door is closed. The hood is closed. Everything gotta be closed. All right. Now we just once. Okay. Just once. Now with this guy right here, the one on top, not at the bottom, the one on top, we're gonna set it up right there, miles. All right. If it's not miles, just click it until you go to miles. All right. Now, you see this guy right here? That's a button right there. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna shut it down. Click it once. Now click it again. You're gonna hear that. Now press and hold this button. Okay, press and hold it. Now you're gonna see the message. It's gonna ask you about the right there. Now you're gonna press it again. Press and hold it. Okay. Now you're gonna press and hold it again. Reset successful. Let it go. And that's how we do it. Know what I'm saying? This is how I do every day, man. Now what I'm saying? I give you the range between what year and what year you can do this. Know what I'm saying? But so far, this on the 2022 Mini Cooper Passport, if that works for you. Know what I'm saying? So thank you for watching. I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. I put it in the comment box for me. Don't forget to support the channel. Shout outs to my subscribers. Holla at your boy. I'm clocking out. I'm out.